create. So what I have here is a chuck steak, and I'm going to prepare a delicious but simple meal, high in protein, very delicious. And in fact, I'm going to show you how I use my garlic paste, which is homemade. And if you don't have it, check the link in my description and explain how to do it. Or you can use regular garlic. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put a little bit of salt. I'm using flaky sea salt, but you can use any salt. I'm also going to use some garlic powder. No garlic salt, but garlic powder. And I'm going to do the same in both sides. And then when I'm done doing that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave it outside for about 20-30 minutes so it gets to room temperature. But I also want the osmosis process to take place where the salt within the first 10 minutes is going to absorb the fluids from the steak, and then that's the first 15 minutes. Then after that, it's going to start re-releasing it so the steak is not dry, and that takes about 15 minutes to happen. Maybe best scenario, wait 30-40 minutes total. So I'm preheating my trusted cast iron. This one is about 100 years old, by the way. And I'm going to put a tiny bit of extra virgin olive oil. You don't go crazy, just a little bit, enough to put a layer in the surface area. And then you're going to add your steak. This one is very thin. And I think I'm going to let it go for a couple minutes, okay? Due to the thickness, it's very thin. Couple minutes later, repeat the process, but this time around on salted butter. Then, my paste, I'm going to put some within salted butter. Create those juices. I cut this rosemary. What I'm going to do, I'm going to float those juices around this steak. I'm going to do this for a couple minutes, okay? Maybe even sooner, depending how you want it. See how beautiful it looks? What I'm going to do now, I'm going to put this baby to rest. See how nice? Let it rest, okay? I'm melting some butter, unsalted butter. It's about half a tablespoon. What I'm going to do now is very simple. So, eggs, huh? And I'm going to cook them. This is preheating, couple notches above medium. Just frying a couple eggs. Do the same with the other one. Doesn't have to look pretty, doesn't have to be perfect. Just cooking eggs, okay? Then what I like to do is, as it cooks, I like to add a little bit of water, just a little bit. I cover it, and I let this thing to do its magic, okay? Then I remove them. That's simple.